Just hold on. Right.
You ready, are you?
Yeah.
Release of the bird.
The release of the bird. When it comes out, just hold on.
Really sleeping?
It's asleep, Natalie.
Está durmiendo. Está durmiendo.
Want to move the dish?
Yeah, just move the dish. Well, what is it? Is it awake?
I don't know.
What? Is he dead?
No.
I mean,
Go on, you have a look, Natalie.
Oh no, no, it's looking forward.
Ben Nene, Ben Nene, Ben Nene. Go see. Can you? Ben.
Look at that.
Yeah, that is
What
good.
did it
Find
do?
the bird now. Okay. Oh, Mamos, Nene. Mamos.
Are you okay, bird?
It's going to be your pet. Okay.
Come on, you're free if you want to go.
¿Qué, nene? ¿Eres un bebé? You haven't hurt your, damaged your wings, no. No. Huh? Vamos, nene.
What do we do?
That's you.
Don't
It's your
want to
pet
go.
now.
Come on. Could you go and fly off? It's not doing it.
Vamos, vamos. ¿Qué, nene? Vamos. Vamos, nene. Vamos. He's having a look around.
Is it awake? No, he's got his.
Wait, what?
No, he's got his eyes shut.
Wait at a moment.
Oh, there he's home now, but there you go. He's asleep on my hand.
Maybe it's just tired out. So he's trying to get out and it couldn't.
Claro.
So shall we put it back in the cage and try tomorrow?
Oh, could do it. What are you going to give it?
Well, I don't know what to give it, do I? I don't know
You
what
said
the.
you don't want to give it bread.
No,
You don't?
So
No.
Bread with milk.
bread with a bit of milk. I could try that. I've got milk. Well, we'll try it. I'll put it back in the cage then. It's obviously not going anywhere.
If you put it on the floor, on the wherever.
It's going to sleep. It's tired out. Poor little bugger.
With all that stress, the banging and.
Are we to put it back in the cage then and feed it and let it out tomorrow? See, it's going back to sleep.
God damn. I haven't got Paco's daughter's number. I think it's with, a little bit of bread with milk and something like that. If you put it on the ground or. No?
I think we should
Try.
put it back in the cage. It's going to sleep. It's tired out. We'll feed it and we'll let it go after.
Where is he? Where's the head?
So he's
Nene. Okay.
definitely going back to sleep.
No, he's sleeping. He's going to sleep.
We'll feed it with a little bit of bread and milk.
I think soaked with... I
Milk.
think that's what they do, eh?
That should work.
God. Okay. No. He doesn't want to leave you. You're her... No, you're the one who saved him. You're his mum now.
See, animals like me,
You're his
don't they?
mum.
They do.
That's it. You're going to sleep with him. No, he doesn't want to go. He wants to be with you.
Come on.
Hi. You bit me before, but you don't now. What? No, he's your bird now. He's your bird.
Oh, look at him. Get your strength back, lad.
Shall we try on the ground or not? Do you
Come on,
want
then.
to try?
Yeah,
Hello.
see if
Follow
you will.
me. Don't.
I know. I've only got your hand.
Ven, mi amor. Ven, mi amor. A ver. ¿Dónde? Allí. Let's see. Over there, where there's some grass. No? No?
See. I've only got your hand.
¿Sí? Mira, nene. Mira. ¿Quieres? ¿No quiere? ¿No quiere? ¿Qué? ¿Qué? ¿No quieres? Nene. ¿Qué? Vamos. Vamos.
Go on, fly, lad.
Vamos. Vamos. ¿Qué? Naturaleza.
Oh,
Mira.
I know. We could put him on the olive tree where the other birds are.
Where the what? Olive trees.
Yeah.
Ahora ven, nene, ven.
If you put him in an olive tree
Mhm.
and the cats spot it, if you tie it can't. Tie it to
Let's
fly.
see if it flies away. Where shall we? Over there?
See,
Yeah.
look, Natalie, he's going back to sleep.
No, I think, yeah, you'd better. We'll see. We'll see there on otherwise. Listen to your mummy. ¿Qué? ¿Aquí? ¿Quieres? Doesn't want to go. No. Mira. Nene. Ay. ¿Qué? No, espera. Wait. It might fly.
Come on,
No.
fly, lad. Come on.
Better too. Better.
In the cage.
No.
I think in the cage, Natalie. Till tomorrow, I'll give him some bread and milk, and then we'll let him go tomorrow.
We'll find in Google what
He's definitely,
Carmen.
he's not going. Yeah, I think he needs to recover after his ordeal. 2 days behind the wall of flapping his wings. I mean, he might have bust his wings, I don't know.